with the having my own business, it's I like it because it works around my family life. I'm a single parent, so I work when I can work and I don't when I can't work, and I have others working when I can't work. So it fits in with family life. It somehow brings in more money than if I'm working for an employer. But what else I like is the I like to do a 2-week holiday with my kids every year in the summer. And when I was working as an employee, I could never get, or it's always difficult to get your holidays booked. Whereas I just go on holiday when I like, or have that time off when I like. I've still sort of got to work-ish, but it works well. I've just got to plan on how to go on holiday without any work at all, have somebody in place to take me over while I'm away. Challenges I have is if, for example, this morning I had a message saying one of my girls couldn't work due to being sick and unwell. But I get around that quite well when I then put a job onto somebody else instead. So I phone another one of my workers, say, can you cover this job? And it's covered most of the time. And it's got to the point now where I'm not having to work all day, every day, like I had been doing a year or so ago, which means I can always cover jobs if anyone's off. Just because we're women doesn't mean we can't do it. We have got the strength and the power to do it. I'm just a little old cleaning company, and I was always told by my mum that you can't live a wealthy life being a cleaner. I'm not rich, but I'm definitely comfortable. And making my cleaning jobs that I had into a business just sort of transformed me into a happier, more positive person. We can do it. It's not a difficult job to do, and there's always people out there to help with any challenges that you do struggle to find solutions for.